Hello, how you doing? This is Ryan McGee again. I want to show you a few things. This is against Judge Lisa S. Porter. See this right here? I filed this in October the 28th. It's a writ of habeas corpus relief against Sheriff PRUMMELL, the judges, and the state's attorney. A writ of habeas corpus is when you believe that they broke the law and you should be released from incarceration due to the law. Well, in this writ of habeas corpus, I said that a female made false allegations of a domestic violence injunction. We were total strangers. We are still to this day total strangers. But she wrote an injunction against me just to have me arrested and removed from my home so she could take possession of it. Well, the judge dismissed the order of petition for writ of habeas corpus, and she dismissed it on October the 31st. The judge was Lisa Porter. Now, I told the judge that Kimberly Capinelli violated the law. She wrote a falsified statement to maliciously prosecute me, which is against the law. It's malicious prosecution. Well, when I sued her in this case, she made a sworn affidavit, subsection 3, that I have never had relations with the plaintiff, nor have I had any conversation with him prior to his lawsuit and attacks on me. But yet she filed an affidavit with the courts back in October that put me in jail, saying we were lovers. And the courts refused to release me from incarceration. And now that I'm suing them, the judge, even though Federal Rule 56A says that if there is any disputed material facts, it must go to trial. It has to go to trial. The law says so. But yet Judge Lisa Porter violated this and dismissed the lawsuit on a summary judgment, which is again illegal to Rule 56A of the federal law and the state law. Two people that are total strangers cannot put an injunction against us. It's against Salisky versus White, 2nd District Court of Florida, 2002. Strangers cannot do a domestic order on each other. It's flat out illegal. And I told the judge that the arrest was illegal. She dismissed the habeas corpus. When I went to sue the lady that made these falsified illegal statements, the girl put in a sworn statement to the fact that we are total strangers. She admitted that my writ of habeas corpus was 100% correct. So therefore, there is legal grounds for a disputed material fact. But yet Judge Porter, to protect females, even though it violates the Men's Rights Act, because women do this to men all the time, lie, saying there's domestic violence or domestic dispute, and they remove the men from their homes. Sorry, ladies, you guys do it. And men's rights and the courts are getting tired of it. So, even though I have all this proof that she did in fact do this, even a sworn statement that she agrees that we are strangers. So there is material disputed facts. Judge Porter broke the law. She broke her oath to withhold the Constitution and the laws of the state of Florida. She violated Rule 56A, ruling on a summary judgment where there's disputed material facts. This is illegal, and I want her name to be put out there. I filed a Judicial Qualifying Committee complaint, and I am trying to get her disbarred. Help me do so. There should be no corruption in our government. They put us in jail for breaking the law, So therefore, they should not be allowed to break the law. Stand with me, unite with me, and let's end the corruption within the system. Thank you and have a good day.
Need a car? Don't forget to stop by carmarshal.com, where you can scout through over 100,000 new and used car vehicles. Take a look around. Get you a new affordable car. carmarshal.com.
Hey Charlotte County, this is Charlotte County COPWATCH, and I found that I had to make a change this ending on my videos, letting you know about the channel and fair use laws, you know, how we can report on other people's reporting and how it's good, how it's bad, etc. But you guys can look it up yourself. It is legal. It's in there. But like I've told you before, that I've been cut off from making money on YouTube for 4 years. It's really weird, bizarre, but they cut the money off, but they said you can keep the channel, and now YouTube makes all the money. And if you get bored, plug it into Social Blade website, and you'll see that they are making a huge amount off the site. Right now it's at 63 million views, 53,000 subscribers, almost 3 million views a month. You know, trying to wake people up, and I make nothing. In fact, I got a customer that's ex-congressman. He said if I could ever find a lawyer, sue YouTube on it. But because this is nuts, 4 hours a day, and to save America. You know, but at the same time, it's worth it. Look at what our founding fathers did. They died for this country. So, but getting back to the money part, this is why I'm redoing the video. Is my dream of everyone giving $1, and it's going to be $53,000 a year, or if they did Patreon, which you know, can be monthly. That is not working. That'd be great if it did. Nothing is perfect. And I appreciate the people that do donate, you know, what they can on PayPal. And there again, I'm letting you guys know that is not much. Is, you know, monthly is, oh my god. So anyways, yes, you cannot live on it. It's very, very, very low amount. But the dollar things, I do appreciate that. But when I first said everybody give $1, that's not working. I'm just letting you guys know it's, yeah, that's that dream. Everybody gives $1. 53,000 subscribers, it's not working. So yes, if you can give more than that, you know, I appreciate it. Like I said, you know, I'm in a unique situation where, you know, we're already debt free, and I'm not rich, but with the little business that we have, I am able to do what I am able to do 45 hours a day, you know, letting you guys know what's going on. In 4 years, I've did the whole thing myself. 12,000 videos on there. I literally get emails where people are like, holy crap, I never knew it was this bad. And it is this bad, and it's getting worse every day because we have the internet, we have cell phones, we have cameras everywhere now, and it's just disgusting what's going on. And then, as you guys know too, now we got Trump, we got Jeff Sessions doing a war on drugs, and now he wants to go after the forfeiture laws again. It's just unfreaking real. So if you can give more than that dream of everybody giving $1, yeah, that old video, that's not working. They're not, they're just not. So anyways, if you can give more than that dream is not working. Hardly anybody is giving. There you go. So that's why I'm remaking the video. If you can give more than that would be great. And there again, like I said, the Patreon's there. There is some people on there that are starting to give, but there again, it's very, very low. And like I said, I don't want to get rich off of that. I'm going to keep doing what I'm doing because, you know, it's still so stinking corrupt. It's not even funny. My court case that I'm going to be paying out of my pocket myself with Charlotte County's coming up. They illegally looked me up and then posted all my information on LEOAFFAIRS website. They basically doxed me, however you want to say that. I forget what the word is, and they outed me, man. And that information on that site went out to 500 sheriffs, deputies, people that work at the jail, etc., etc., etc. So yeah, it is very, very scary, but we're going to do a federal case, 1983 case, violating freedom of speech. We have 17 cameras in the house now. We got 2 cameras in the car. I always carry a camera plus a cell phone. A lot of people are highly recommending I get a vest now. If I could, if the wife would let me, I would run for sheriff. We are trying to push the thing nationwide right now, where just to mix it up and to get the topics out there is register to run for sheriff, NPA, no party affiliation, as a write-in, and that is completely free, and you can participate in the elections. And there's a lot of stuff. We got a guy, James McLinnis in Pinellas County, Tampa, who almost won. He experienced the corruption himself. The story is unbelievable. Look him up. It's mind-blowing what they did. It pissed him off. He is very, very smart. He has way more money than I did. He ran for sheriff at the last 3 months last year in 2016 and almost won. He got all of the black vote. And the reason why he did that is because he ran on, I will not bust, we're in Florida, I will not bust anybody for weed anymore unless it's an ungodly huge amount, like pounds. And then he also ran on no more victimless crimes, no more of this freaking road pirate bull crap. And then he was going to cut the budget by 30%. And when you think about that, you can. If you stop the road pirates, you can get rid of a bunch of people. Gone. So, the wife has been saying, yes, I can, yes, I can't. So I don't know. We're trying to find somebody that can do it because I am busy doing this anyways. But, so I'm making a video, like I said, that $1 a month from everybody, you know, for 53,000 subscribers, that is not working. I'm just letting you guys know. Absolutely give way more than $1 a month. If you can, I appreciate anything. By the way, remember too, when you give that, PayPal takes like freaking 15 to 20%, so it's even worse than that. But, and there again, like I'm letting you guys know, it's way, what I get is very, very low. Appreciate it, but it is very, very low. Can't live on it. I'm just, you know, I'm working, and that's what I'm working on. And that court case is going to cost a buttload of money. That's federal court. Just the filing fees and the depositions that we're going to be doing with this corrupt cop. So there's another reason to give. We are going to be doing a deposition with this very corrupt. He was in a drug squad. He is a bad guy. He's on steroids. We heard steroids are rampant here. That's why their attitude is so bad. And we are going to get him on video, and it will be on YouTube. So that case alone is $5,000 just to bring it to court, and that's my money out of my pocket. So there's another reason to give, and give way more than $1 if you can. So keep that in mind. This is the new video, and I see, God, I talk a lot. It's already 7 minutes, but had to make it just to let you know that $1 a month from everybody is not working. They're not doing it. So if you can give more than that, please. So thanks. Keep it up. Share, like, subscribe, tell your friends, send me your videos on corruption, and I'll post it.